Ever wondered how managers instantly track who's present and who's absent without spending hours on paperwork? In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional Excel attendance sheet just like this, with automatic calculations, visual charts, and a clean design. By the end, you'll be able to track attendance like a pro and make your data look stunning. Let's get started. Enter the main title attendance sheet at the top of the worksheet. In the first column header cell, type employee. In the next column, type Monday. Use the fill handle to automatically populate the remaining days of the week. In the column following the days, enter the header absent. In the next column, enter the header present. Select the relevant cells and apply bold formatting. Adjust the font size as needed for better readability. Highlight the top row of cells and use the Merge and Center feature to align the title centrally. Increase the font size of the title row to make it stand out. Apply a suitable font color and fill color to the title row for a visually appealing header. Double-click the column borders to automatically adjust the column width to fit the content. Select the cells containing the days of the week, then press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Navigate to the Alignment tab and change the text orientation from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Click OK to apply the changes. Adjust the column widths as necessary for optimal layout. In Sheet 2, select the cells containing the employee names and press Ctrl+C to copy them. Switch to Sheet 1 and press Ctrl+V to paste the employee names in the appropriate column. Select the desired rows, right-click, and choose row height to set the height according to your preference. Select the entire dataset and apply all borders to create a structured table layout. Highlight the cells containing the days of the week and apply a fill color of your choice for visual distinction. Select the relevant cells and apply center alignment to neatly position the content. Select the relevant cells and navigate to Conditional Formatting. Choose Icon Sets, then click on More Rules. Select an icon style that suits your preference. In both value type fields, change the type to number. Enable the Show Icon Only option to hide the numeric values. Change the top value from 0 to 1. Click OK to apply the formatting. In the attendance cells, enter 1 to indicate present and 0 to indicate absent. Select the attendance cells and apply center alignment. In the desired cell, enter the formula, equal to, COUNTIF. Start parenthesis. Select range B3 to F3. Comma. 1. Close parenthesis. Divided by 5. And press Enter. Double-click the fill handle to copy the formula down to all applicable rows. Apply percentage format to display the results as percentages. Use bold formatting to emphasize the values. In the next column, enter the formula. Equals to 1 minus H3 and press Enter. Double-click the fill handle to apply this formula to the remaining rows. Apply bold formatting to highlight the values. Select the target cells, go to Conditional Formatting Data Bars More Rules. In the Type drop-down menus, both minimum and maximum, change from automatic to formula. Enter the values 0, minimum, and 1, maximum. Choose a fill color to match your design preference. Set the bar direction to left to right and click OK. For a second set of cells, repeat the process, go to Conditional Formatting Data Bars More Rules. Select your desired fill color. Change both minimum and maximum types to formula, with values 0 and 1. Set the bar direction to right to left and click OK. Select the relevant cells and apply left alignment. Change the text color to match the color of the corresponding bar graph. For another set of cells, apply left alignment and change the text color to white, Once complete, entering attendance data will automatically update both the percentage values and the bar graphs in real time. And that's it, your professional Excel attendance sheet is ready. Now, every time you enter attendance, your percentages and bar charts will update instantly. I hope this tutorial helps you save time and keep your records looking clean and organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.